Hey guys, just get ready. I just got a call this morning and customer was wondering, how do I know what parts to get? I've got this older 50 series drill. It really needs a lot of work. Should I be buying new? Should I be buying something that's a little bit newer and putting money into that? Well, one thing that we provide at Ready is free on-site inspections. And Elijah and I are gonna go out today and inspect a drill that he found for sale online so that he can know, hey, what do I gotta put into it so that I can make sure that when I get this thing, it's gonna be ready to go for my next seeding season. Got the Ready mobile here. I'm just kidding. No, we gotta take a truck to this one. After we know where we're going, we then select the vehicle we're gonna take. And in so doing, we check, is this road worthy? I see there's a lot of dead mosquito guts on there, so we gotta get that off. So I'm gonna run to the car wash. It's very important to have a clean truck when you're going somewhere, something that we wanna always do and present ourselves in a good way. Much better. Time for fuel. So Elijah and I are here on the road and we're getting pretty close to where we gotta be to inspect this drill. And one of the most important things we gotta do is get customer information here. And this is one of our contact forms. We provide key details here so that the person going out to look at the drill knows what they're looking at. They understand what type of machine that they're going to be walking up on, and we'll also use that form to record other notes after or during the inspection as well. It's got some nice new upgrades in the last couple of years. Polycut flighting, we did partial blockage system, new towers, secondary hose, some work on one of the tanks or the meter housings. So all those are key details that are important as you're walking up on. You want to note that so that you can provide that valuable information and we can provide the best inspection report that we can. There she is. Looks like Dennis is out here working on his air seeder here already, putting some hose on. Morning, Dennis. Beautiful morning out here. Good to see you.
Good to see you. Morning.
Hi Dennis, good morning.
Go grab my inspection list here. Got our certified drill inspection sheet here where we go through every detail of the row unit, and I'm going to be filling that out as we do this. Here we have the drill inspection tool that we came up with. Really handy tool, really great for quickly measuring discs and different other features on the row unit. So we're definitely going to be using this guy too. I can already pick out specific things on this. I don't know if you've looked at anything yet, but typical John Deere drill that has a lot of acres on it, it's going to need almost everything. He's already got half. I'm going to go back and forth to see how much movement there is. These are original pin. You can just see it's half inch total. So that's about a 1/4 inch. Hey guys, we're out here at this typical 1860 1900 John Deere drill air cart, and we're going to show you guys some specific things that we look for. We've got our inspection tool, we've got our inspection sheet. So we've already done a rough inspection, we've taken a look over different things, but now we're going to go in detail and look for specific things, record them down so that we can provide the customer with the best information possible so that they can make a good decision on what needs to be worked on, what can still be okay, and make sure that they're ready for seeding. One really cool tool that we've developed is this inspection gauge. This can do several different things as you're looking at inspecting your drill. The one that I like the best is how to measure your disc diameter. That is almost impossible on this drill. With this gauge, it makes it so simple. So I'll show you how we put that in. You slip it right on the hub, and now you can read with these little ticks just exactly what kind of disc diameter there is. Now this one has a lot of acres on it, hasn't been replaced in a long time. It's actually under 16 inches, and that is very characteristic of why these boots are probably wore so bad, is because when it gets that small, it causes a lot of extra wear on the edge of that seed boot. And so definitely keeping good discs at 17 to 18 inch diameter is really key there. Here you can see that they've done some kind of drill out pivot. a good fix to fix the boot slot, but now as it's time to replace the boots, it's going to be a challenge to get those out. The great thing is if that's an issue for you, we can fix that with our stabilizer, even though the hole is much bigger. That stabilizer will take care of that specific issue. As we look closer here, we're going to be looking at the main opener arm pivots, the seed boot pivots, the seed boots themselves, the seed tubes, the press wheel pivots, the closing wheel arms. Hopefully they're still moving. This one's kind of stuck. Gauge wheels, discs, depth adjuster pivots, depth adjuster arms, handles. So many things that are so important into making this thing seed the way it's supposed to and not having issues while you're in the field or having issues later when your seeds start coming up. This machine here has a lot of acres on it. Not a big deal for us. We rebuild these all the time. This one I would guesstimate about 50,000 acres. This guy doesn't really know just because he manually has to control it from the tractor and he doesn't know the acres even from before. But just from experience, thinking 50, 60,000 acres, you can see here it's got some standard wear seed boots. The edge is completely gone, and so it gets really sharp in here. The seed tab is either broke or non-existent. Here I filled out our inspection sheet here. We've got green, yellow, red for different things that we look at. We take notes, things like that, so that we can go back. We also take pictures and video so that we can see what kind of condition it is, even 6 months, year later, whatever. We can always have a frame of reference to look back at when there's questions that pop up or additional maintenance needs later. After we do the drill, we jump over to the air cart and we look at different things like the auger, conveyor, what kind of condition that's in. We look at the meter housings, we're looking at the tire airstream, we're looking at tires, we're looking at transmissions, a lot of different things that are related to getting the seed, product, fertilizer, whatever, all the way to the drill and in the ground the way it's supposed to go. Hey guys, we finished the inspection. Thank you, Dennis, so much for having us out here.
My pleasure.
Do you guys need an inspection? We go all around the area. We do free inspections. We take a look at your drill. We help you guys make good knowledge-based decisions. We can help you with just the parts. We can help you do the labor. We can do everything in between. So give us a call. If there's anything that you need, let us know. That's why we're here. So thanks again, Dennis.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Thanks for coming out.
Yep. God bless, and we'll see you again next time.